Wagwan, it's your boy Jordan Blake, and I know it's been a while since my last YouTube video, but we're trying to be better. So this is the first YouTube video of the year, so LMAO. So today,
first YouTube of the year? God damn.
I know, but we're trying to be better. So Wagwan, it's your boy Jordan Blake, back again with another YouTube video. So today we are doing a couple different things, but first we're starting off with something really simple. I have a photo shoot, I don't know if I mentioned that, with my boy soouizz. But we're doing a couple different shoots today. We're doing simple digitals for Fashion Week, just so he has it, updated digitals. We're also gonna do a walk-in video for Fashion Week, also for the auditions and castings and whatnot, you know. And we have shoot number 1, which would be an agbada. That's what we call it. I'm gonna show you what that looks like, but but yeah, we have the first look, which is the agbada, the second look, which would be a leather look, and the third look, which would be what is the third look?
Casual vibes.
Yeah, I think the third look is just casual vibe, just vibes really. So I decided to record a YouTube video. That's what we're doing. So I'm gonna try to explain and pull you along as I'm doing what I'm doing, but I just thought I'd like start it off here. So welcome back. You know what I'm saying? YouTube ways. We're gonna be consistent. We're gonna be better. We're gonna be better. But yeah, let's get to it. Now we're starting off with the digitals. So for digitals, it's really simple shots: front, a quarter, a really nice like tight headshot, and a full body. That's what we're gonna try to do. So yeah.
Okay, mode they go now. Time is money. Time is cash.
You'll be fine.
Working model.
Wrapped up with soouizz's digitals. Now we have the beautiful Nastasia, we just pulled up, so I'm gonna do her digitals real quick and the walk-up video. Then we're gonna move on to soouizz's first outfit. Yeah, just wanted to like update y'all. But the beautiful Nastasia, you wanna come say hello? How do you feel?
I feel great and pumped, ready to take over the world. You know,
she feels hot.
Yeah,
She's
I'm
hot.
a little hot.
Okay.
There's no AC, but look.
The AC is right there.
We're suffering, but it's okay.
It's okay. We have a fan, so I think we're fine.
Coincidentally, on top of the AC, the fan is.
Oh shit! That's such is life. But it's okay. You see me sweating? That's what we do for this work. You know what I'm saying? Creating in heat. But it's okay.
It's not as if we really have to sweat or bleed, but niggas bleed and sweat for this shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Cry sometimes.
Sometimes.
They're what? They starve themselves.
What's a life? Okay, I'm gonna get started with Nastasia. This is where we're gonna be shooting.
I forgot my nail polish at home.
Oh.
So please, like, I'm gonna try to avoid my hands as much as possible.
She said, "Don't show my hands."
Yeah, you can't really tell unless like you get super close and you're like, fuck, bitch. Yeah, take care of yourself.
Okay, let's get into it. So we just finished up with the agbada look, which was officially the first look after the digitals. That's my man soouizz, looking fly as hell. Look at him. Now we're about to do the second look, which is a leather look. I actually don't know how I'm gonna get the full body. We might need to bring it down for the full body shot, but the first shot I'm thinking probably is gonna stand on that because I also like this also. I think it's a cool little vibe. So we're gonna do that. Show you some B-roll of just the vibes. Also, shout out Nastasia. She's the one holding the camera right now. Okay. But yeah, we about to do that real quick and catch you.